Hello, today we will guide you through how to automate sending a link in a DM on Instagram using Manychat. In this walkthrough, we'll set up a simple Instagram automation inside Manychat so you can automatically send a link to followers through direct messages. This is especially useful if you regularly tell people to check your bio and want to make that process faster, cleaner, and more convenient for both you and your audience. To begin, make sure you're in your Manychat account and on the main dashboard. Start from the Home tab. This gives you a clear starting point and helps you navigate from the default landing area before creating anything new. From there, look to the left-hand navigation panel and click on Automation. This section is where Manychat stores tools, workflows, and templates that help you build automated experiences for messaging. If you're new to the platform, this is one of the most important areas to get familiar with, since most of your DM automations will be managed here. Once you're inside the automation area, click on New Automation. This opens the setup options for building a fresh workflow. In this case, instead of creating everything from scratch, you'll be using a pre-built option, which can save time and make the setup process much easier. Next, select the template called Automate DMs to send followers to your website. This template is designed specifically for the use case of sending a website link directly through Instagram messages. It's a practical option if you want to reduce manual replies and create a smoother response flow when someone is asking for more information or access to a page. After choosing the template, click Set Up Template. This tells Manychat that you want to load the automation into your workspace so you can customize it for your own needs. Think of this step as importing the framework before making any edits. Once the template opens, click on the sample section to edit the needed data. This is the part where you review the pre-filled content and adjust it so it matches your intended message and link. Take a moment here to make sure the wording is clear, the destination link is correct, and the automation reflects the experience you want followers to receive. Even small edits can make the message feel more polished and aligned with your brand. And that's it. You've now reached the point where the template is loaded and ready for customization inside Manychat, giving you a faster way to automate Instagram DMs with a link.